How to fix Face ID not available, try setting up later issue. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Scroll down, open the option General. Scroll all the way down, head towards the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now click on the option Reset. Click on the option Reset All Settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Once you reset all the settings, now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings. Open the option General, go to the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your software to its latest version. This may also fix your problem. Likewise, heading towards next solution, close this, open any of the browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in support.apple.com and search for it. Over here, you will find different device options. Select the device in which you are having the issue. After you select it, you will land to this page. Now scroll all the way down. You will find the section of Get Support. Click on Start Now. Now over here you will find different options. Click on the option of Show All and select the option of Face ID. And then you can describe about your issue. Applying these process, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix Face ID is not available, try setting up later issue. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.